Welcome to IP Television, your number one English learning channel brought to you by Ideal English Plus. Welcome to English Pronunciation Quiz. I am your quiz master, Michael Obidi. If this word is pronounced grape, what's the final consonant sound? Woman, cook, sugar. Which vowel sound do these words have in common? Which of these words has the consonant sound zh? Which word is represented by this transcription? If this word is pronounced ownership, what's the middle syllable? Please drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you for staying with me. We therefore encourage you to like and watch our videos, share them with your family and friends, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. We eagerly look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Thank you.